Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at the battery terminal clamp connectors, a must-have accessory for any car, van, truck, or even boat owner. Made of high-quality brass and steel, these connectors are corrosion-resistant and offer excellent electrical conductivity, reducing voltage distortion and transmission loss. One of the standout features of these connectors is the four-way design, allowing for multiple cable connections and making wiring modifications a breeze. The positive and negative terminals are clearly labeled for easy installation, and they are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, vans, yachts, trucks, and more. The package includes two battery terminal connectors, positive and negative, two battery anti-corrosion washers, and a hex wrench for easy installation. These connectors are capable of handling wire diameters ranging from 5.2 to 7.4 mm, making them suitable for a variety of applications. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use solution for your battery terminal needs, look no further than the battery terminal clamp connectors. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your vehicle's electrical system. Click the link in the description to get your hands on these connectors today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great automotive products and reviews. Thanks for watching.